Okay, so please remember when you're doing financial literacy problems, you gotta remember the simple interest equation. Okay, we did it in class. Uh, Remember, it's the this one here. Interest equals principal times rate times time. Interest is the I, simple interest. Principal is the letter P, principal where you borrow, or it could also mean invest. So an investment or when you borrow money, that's the principal. Rate is always going to be expressed as a percent, and you must convert that to a decimal. And don't forget, time is the T, and that's always expressed in years. So if they give you months, you must convert to in time of years. So let's look at the first one here. So I'm going to have the equation interest, simple interest equals principal times rate times time. Okay, so remember, of course, the principal or the investment or money you borrow is the principal, 640 times the rate, and another rate, according to this, is expressed as a percent. Rate expressed as a percent, you must convert to a decimal. So the rate is 3%. I'm going to convert the 3% to a decimal. All I got to do is move the decimal place 2 times, and the decimal's here, 1, 2, and we put a 0 there for the space, and so we have 0.03. And then we multiply times years, and it's telling me in 2 years I'm going to put a 2. All I'm going to do is multiply, and I'll get what my simple interest is. So all you got to do is multiply. Okay? The same thing for number 2. All you got to do is use the equation equals principal times rate times time. Okay? All you got to do first is the principal. This is your rate because it's in percent. You must convert that 4.25% to a decimal. The decimal is not here. It's already given to you right there. So from here you're going to go 1, 2, and that's what you're going to use to multiply times the principal and times the t in years. Okay, so finish that problem. The same thing as this. Okay, lo mismo. And so I'm going to go down here to number 3 and 4. Okay, as you can see, 3 and 4 have months here. So you must think there, okay, 6 months, 8 months. You're not going to put this. This is wrong. If I put 580 times, what is that, 2%? Number 2%, you move the decimal 2 times. 2 times 0.02 times 6. Okay? That is wrong. Está mal. That's not right because it's 6 months. And here, remember, your time is expressed in years. You have to express it in years. So you must think there, okay, well, I can't put 6, that's the months. But I know 12 months equals 1 year. So think about that. If 12 months equals 1 year, you only have 6 months. So what do you have of a year? Think about it. You don't have, it's 12 months in a year, you only have 6 of them. Okay? Whatever you think goes there. Not this. That's wrong. Okay? And then figure it out. Same thing for this one. Make this a decimal. Change this to years. 8 months. How many do you have in years? Okay. I'll do this one here. Okay. Oh, I did it here, but I'll do it again. Okay. Okay. Just close the page. Okay. So we have this one. No biggie. No biggie. Okay. So here, 290 times. Well, this is 12.5%. Move the decimal 2 times. 1, 2. I'm sorry. 290 times 0.125. 6 months. 6 months is 6 out of 12, which means that I can simplify this by 6, which gives me 1/2, which equals 0.5. So I'm going to put a 0.5 there, because that represents it in years. So 6 months is half a year. You see? Because t has to be expressed in years. And so now I gotta do is multiply this out and I get my answer. Okay? So remember, you have to express this in years. 6 months is half a year. That's why I put a 0.5 there. Okay? So hopefully this has helped you figure this problem out. And before we leave, we gotta check one more thing here. Check who the best team is. Vamos a ver quién es el mejor equipo de todos. Y como siempre, ya sabemos, pero bueno, ya ves, ahí está. Ahí está la prueba. Good luck. Adiós.